Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. You've been very insightful.
Thank you. Honestly, guys, please have a seat. I think it was an amazing discussion, and thank you so much for being with us and bringing this whole.
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है, इस फिल्म आप दोनों ने स्लमडॉग में काम किया, ये 6 मिनट की फिल्म देखते हो, कहीं आपके जन्म में ये था कि काश हम दोनों ने इसमें भी काम किया होता?
I'm going to just translate it for some people who may not. He said, did you see the 6-minute film and felt, hey, it would have been fun to be a part of this film too? Irfan?
Yeah, I think milta to we would have done a great job, no?
Yeah, of course.
ये इच्छा आई नहीं, लेकिन आप बोल रहे हैं तो अभी अब लग रहा है कि हाँ करना चाहिए
But who would have danced and who would have not danced?
I think I should have danced.
So Arjun gets the Jude Law role?
Yeah, of course. Irfan would do the Jude Law role.
उस बोट के लिए नाचा जा सकता है.
Interesting, good question. Next.
Good evening, gentlemen. Is it audible? Yes, thank you. I think after one down, everyone would like to have a wager. That's my first assumption. After one peg down, one would love to have a wager. That's just an assumption. Okay. When somebody has enough money, then he goes for the satisfaction rule. That let me have some satisfaction in life after having some amount of money. And when he has all the satisfaction he wants, that is up to a level, then he says, okay, why not again make money? So it goes side by side, and the satisfaction is only looked after when one can afford it to have it. Is that correct?
Can I try to answer that? I can say it for myself. And when it is great that my books are very popular now and I'm writing and it's working out. But I actually used to work in an investment bank, right? I used to work in Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, and I was making a lot of money there. And when I left, I had an income drop of 95%. Basically, I had almost nothing. I still left with the assumption that this is never going to go up again, ever in life. It's not happened. It came back. The money came back and everything. Yes, you're right that you need a certain level, and I think what you're trying to employ are these higher order needs. But I think it's something to do with the kind of person you are and what choices you make very early in life. I don't think Irfan was that rich when he made some of the choices he made. I don't think he could have become in the production side, right? He had a steady career from his family. That was a steady career. He could have gone, sat in the dukan, and that's his thing. But he chose to do something different. And at that time, he didn't think I'm doing this because I'll make a lot of money doing this. So I think, yes, you are right that you need a certain level to do this, but it also, it's not as much that you only do this when you have a lot of money. I think we've all done crazy things when we didn't have money also. Like him getting married. I mean, it sounds easy now, but 42 years back, I can imagine, like the magazines.
No, I didn't get married 42 years back. ऐसा लगा मैं 70 साल का हूँ.
Sorry, yeah, that's true. How can you get married? But you said you're together for 42 years.
30 years, yeah.
So you knew her from school?
Yes.
That's even cuter.
Yeah, from school, yeah.
Your wife is from your school. Yeah, yes. It is as cool as it gets. Yeah. But I'm just saying, to get married at that time, those were real risks. Those are not, that's not something to do.
To be honest with you, I feel, I feel you should never chase commerce. I think commerce automatically, if you do something from your heart, from your instinct, and what you passionately enjoy, I think commerce will chase you. I feel that's what I believe. That's been my philosophy. That whatever I've done, ऐसा भी हुआ है कि एक आध 2 बार 3 बार मैंने पैसे के लिए कुछ चीजें की and I've fallen flat on my face. But whenever I've done something, earlier in my stage of my career, when I started in 1978, and now it is 2014, but whenever I've done things, not keeping money in mind, it's given me 10-folds.
Irfan, now that you're rolling in money, maybe you want to answer.
I wish one day I will. I think there are two situations. One is that you are earning loads of money and you don't have any interest in that job. So that's a pathetic way to earn money. And the other is that you are passionate about job and you are still getting money. I think that's a very fortunate.
That's a key difference.
Yeah, that's a fortunate situation. That's again a fortunate situation. You can if you can sustain your passion. That's
will these
great.
guys be acting if their income dropped 90%? The answer is yes. Will I be still riding if my income dropped 90%? The answer is yes. So I think that's the kind of thing that's we love doing what we do. So I think that's it. Yeah.
गुड इवनिंग और इरफान जी, आप दोनों से सवाल है, जब पहली बार आप ऑडिशन दे रहे थे उस वक्त क्या फीलिंग
कहाँ हैं आप, कहाँ हैं?
May I just request, I don't mean to be like, I mean, because we have a lot of foreign guests here, if it's okay with you, if you can just...
you can translate that too,
Okay,
please,
okay.
because I belong to Hindi channels.
Yeah, it's fine.
आप दोनों से सवाल ये है कि जब आप पहला ऑडिशन दे रहे थे, क्या आपको याद है, और ऑडिशन देते वक्त आप दोनों के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था?
What was the first audition like and what was going on in your mind?
So actually, I have a very strange relationship with auditions. I have never got any part through audition. Whenever I give audition, I fail. So I'm not a person, who's very competitive, who thrives in competition. So I bypass whenever a role comes and it demands audition. I say bye-bye because it doesn't happen with me. I feel very odd when I'm doing an audition and I know that people are testing you or trying to judge you. That I know I don't enjoy that situation.
Well, my first audition, as I said, was when I was in 7th standard. I was a kid, and of course I got the film. उसके बाद जितने भी audition किए fail हो गया मैं. As Irfan said, you see, it's not in our. To be honest with you, it's now becoming more and more in our culture and in the work ethics of audition. But somewhere I think we've not been brought up or educated. And internationally, I think every actor is to a certain extent groomed and educated to audition. We are not as much. But the younger generation at the moment just doesn't mind. They love to audition. They love auditioning for films, for roles, and they do it really, really well and very well. We somewhere are not yet that. Matter of fact, even I have passed a lot of films when they've asked me to audition because I've never been able to really audition well for a film, for a role. So, but I think it's a good thing. Because sometimes there are times when I've done one or two auditions, not thinking that I'm going to get the film, but I said I'll treat this audition like a role, that I've got this role, and that role which is there, which is sent to me, let me see how I can do this. So sometimes if you look at it that way, I think it can be great fun because it's a learning experience. Every time you audition and you get the opportunity to do that role, you might not get the film, but at least you get into the skin of the character and you have just those few lines and the few moments to prove yourself. So it's a great exercise. I feel audition is a great exercise, and I think it should be encouraged. In the Mumbai film industry, as they say, Bollywood, I think there's no film now which is done without you have to tape yourself. The kids and my children are making films. My daughter makes films, and all the actors she has chosen. Most of them have been auditioned. Yeah.
But I can tell you what my experience of facing the camera for the first time. It was kind of audition. Like I was in National School of Drama and there was holidays. We finished second year, I think, and that time they were shooting some serial. So I was asked to do a part, and they gave me a policeman's part. And it was a series about Krantikaris. And the main Krantikari was played by one of our hero. I don't want to name him. And he was there, and I went to the shoot, and I saw him. And as we were trained in National School of Drama, we had ideas about acting and character and things like that. When I saw him, I said, he's a Krantikari, and uske baal jo hai ekdam shampooed, lal gaal, So I was wondering, how does he look Krantikari? And then, I was just wondering about these things. And my action was that I have to knock the door and he will come out and he will get, stumped because I am a policeman. So the moment came. They gave me this pistol. I knocked on the door. He came out. I did the gun like that and my hand started shaking. I forgot all the theories about acting and character. I was just shaking. So he looked at me, that guy, the hero. He kept looking at me and, he said, kahan se le aate ho inko pakad ke? So that was my first experience and I was very, very, embarrassed. But it's good that it happened. I can laugh at it now.
Yeah, these kind of evenings are rare, but I'll make that the last question.
Anil, would you take a gentleman's wager and consider Irfan for a role for the second season of 24?
I think it'll be an honor. It'll be fantastic. But I think
it's a great idea. Now I'll charge money.
Casting couch happening right now.
Yeah, I would love to. Yeah, I think hopefully, if not the second season, the third season. But I'll definitely want him to. Yeah, why not?
No, I'm not ready for third.
Second?
I'm not available. Second, I'm available.
Okay, done.
Anil and
We'll take this offline.
Anil, one more question. How would you suggest one should be a gentleman even after downing 5 packs of Blue Label?
Sorry? How?
To be a gentleman after downing 5 pegs of Blue Label.
Just go to sleep, yeah.
That's right. Gentlemen, go to sleep.
मैं तो 5 क्या मैं 2 के बाद सो जाता हूँ.
That's
Good
nice.
evening, gentlemen. What has been your individual most intoxicating experience in your personal or professional life?
This has to be the last question. Which has been the most intoxicating experience? सबसे नशीला.
Love making.
Okay, moving on. Anil, very candid. You can see this panel is honest today. And
I'm
you don't-
honest.
I think that's fair enough.
I can describe it if you want.
Wouldn't we all? Anil?
For me, I think it'll be a very boring answer, but I have to be honest. For me, it's a good shot. Doing a good scene. Like yesterday, I was shooting a scene, and it was very, very intoxicating. I think nothing can replace that. For me, it is very, very intoxicating. I was drunk.
Okay. For
All
many
right,
of you.
thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. On that note, I'd like to thank the media, I'd like to thank our panelists, and I'd like to thank the guests for making this evening very, very memorable. Thank you very much.
Ji sir.